Welcome back. Today I'm giving you full overview project directory use solve CAPTCHAs using Python. One of the viewer comment, how did you import the browser library? In this video, I will explain how I did. This is the project directory to CAPTCHA, having files .env, browser.py, normal.py, reCAPTCHA v2, requirements.txt, text.py. Let's understand requirements.txt file. In this file, we put different Python library we are using project. I am using two CAPTCHA Python, Selenium, and then the last one python.env. Selenium library for create Chrome browser instance. Python.env help us to store our credential in separate file like username, password, API key. .env file. For this project, I need to capture API, so I put here my API key. Browser.py. This is the main file we will use throughout each type of CAPTCHA file. So let's understand this file. I use Selenium. In this, I import basic function from it. All of these are Selenium functions. Then I create two custom functions. Create browser, get element by XPath. Create browser help us to create new Chrome browser instance and save on driver. Then we will easily access it using the driver keyword. Get element by XPath help us to extract specific element from that browser by passing the XPath of that element. That's it. So now I am showing you how I import these two functions from this. Python has basic command to import function from other file. Start from file name browser, import, and then the function name. I want both. Create browser, get element by XPath, and here you can see I write two function in browser.py to make the code clean and efficient instead of rewriting again and again each type of CAPTCHA. If still you have any question, then you can ask. Thanks for watching the video.